onion powder, garlic powder, and pretty much it. I've got a toast here, spread it with Pam spray and added garlic powders to make it garlic bread. And it actually tastes like a garlic bread. So I'm gonna do some reviews. So this is mayo from Cloudfit. This is the mayo. I've never tried the mayo before. It just arrived yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna try it. This is from Cloudfit. And wow. Amazing. I'm pretty hungry, guys. Being starving like Marvin. Alright, and then we have this garlic sauce from Cloudfit. You can only get this online, guys. Just search up Cloudfit, because you can get it from any website. Any website's okay. So this is potato with garlic sauce. Let's try. This garlic sauce over here, it tastes kind of strange. Yeah, I'm gonna just want to show you guys that it's important to eat healthy these days, you know, healthy. Well, I don't know why I'm doing this, because this is pretty healthy. And wow, tastes amazing. I've been changing up on my diet, because if you see my past few videos, I've been eating Greg Doucette's anabolic French toast. Pretty much every single day. And I'm kind of bored of it. Yeah, I'm kind of bored. Because I usually eat something I like to eat things that's super sweet. And Greg's anabolic French toast is pretty sweet. And that's exactly why I eat it. So that's the mayonnaise. And that's the garlic sauce from Cloudfit. Both taste pretty good, but my favorite one is the mayo. Now move on to ketchup, of course. Yeah, I should prefer ketchup on everything, not mayo, because it's just not really my thing. Alright guys, so right now with all this coronavirus situation, Australia is doing really good. The number's not going high at all. I've said it in my last video, but it's true. USA right now, it's fucked up, USA. Because people in USA recently, they started protesting, which is not good. They were protesting with like no mask, no nothing. They were protesting, yeah, with no mask. Like they were literally like protesting with nothing on their face, absolutely nothing. Which have made the virus worse. But Australia is getting better literally every single day, which is good. But what's not good is we're still in isolation. I don't really like to be in isolation just because it's damn boring. It's damn boring. You don't interact with anybody. You can't interact with anyone. You know, gotta practice social distancing with everyone, and everyone is staying at home. But guys, if you stay at home all day, I'm telling you, it will affect you mentally. It will affect you mentally. So what you should do is every single day get your ass up and go outside for a walk. You don't have to walk, you can run or ride your bike. Ride your skateboard, and everything. Because if you stay at home all day, yes guys, it's going to affect you mentally. Not just mentally, it will affect you physically and mentally. Which is not a good thing. It's never a good thing. You know what I mean? So, what you guys should do is, be active. Do your school, like do your homework and stuff. But make sure you go outside for a run. Don't just sit on your ass all day. Don't sit on your ass all day, because how healthy is that? It's not healthy, and it's not really good for mental health. Damn, garlic sauce come out very, very fast. This come out really slow. Both have 0 added sugar. It's Cloudfit. And man, this is very filling. Like, holy damn. This is goddamn filling. Now I'm getting kind of full. Because it is a giant bowl with potato. So potato, I didn't boil it. So guys, I'm gonna give you advice. If you want to have the best cooked potato, don't boil or bake it. What you do is just microwave it. That's it. You microwave the potato, makes everything better. Makes everything much, much better. It makes everything taste so much better. Relax, guys. If you microwave potatoes, it's not gonna kill you. It's not gonna give you cancer. The radiation is not gonna kill you. Relax. Just calm down. Because people get so paranoid with this microwave thing. Because whenever people microwave something, they're like, oh, microwave radiation, bro, it's gonna kill you, blah, 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 blah. But guys, chill the freak out, man. Just take a deep breath, right? Calm down. It will not kill you. I always microwave my potatoes. I do boil them sometime. Like in my last video, when I made the Indian butter masala, I managed to, boil. I have to boil the potato and then put it in a pan and then just cook everything up. And yeah, man, this meal is pretty tasty. It is a good fit, really good fit, with garlic sauce, ketchup. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm gonna put more garlic sauce. A little bit of mayo. Yeah, this mayo tastes amazing. This mayo, it's not really healthy because normal mayonnaise are healthy, even though people say, oh, mayonnaise is full of fat, but guys, mayo is healthy because if you read the ingredient, especially the one with no added sugar, it is made out of whole eggs. It is made out of egg yolk. The reason why the calories is very high is because egg, if you guys don't know, egg yolk is full of fat. And fat has a lot of calories. So yeah. But other than that, mayo is very, very healthy. But this one, yes, it has no added sugar. Yes, it's low calories like this Cloudfit mayo per 100 milliliters, right guys? Listen up, per 100 milliliters, 33 calories, less than 0.5 grams of fat. Wait, this is Cloudfit. It's all in Netherlands. It's all in Dutch. Sorry. This is a Netherlands company. Does it have English? Yeah, it does have English. 3.5 grams of carbs. This is per 100 milliliters. So for each serving, it's 15 milliliters, which is only 5 calories. But if you read the ingredient here, bro, this is all in Dutch. Does it have English? Oh yeah. Yeah, I think no. This is all in Dutch. Yeah, it's all in Dutch. I can't read Dutch, but on the website it has English translation. I got this from Low Carb. Oh fuck, I can't even pronounce. Don't worry about the website. If I have time, if I can remember, I'll put it in the description of the condiment that I got from the amazing website. It delivers very fast. Yeah, sorry guys, I can't read Dutch. But I swear that the ingredient does have. Oh yeah, it does have English. So it's water, insulin, modified cornstarch, vinegar, salt, thickener, xanthan gum, guar gum. It has sunflower oil, And because mayonnaise is usually very sweet, so if you have like store-bought mayonnaise, the low-fat one, full-fat one, doesn't matter, you'll know that it tastes pretty sweet. It's because it has sugar. This one doesn't have sugar, but it has an artificial sweetener, which is sucralose. Nothing wrong with artificial sweetener, but yeah, don't go too crazy with artificial sweetener. Yeah. The only unhealthy part is it has sucralose, which is artificial sweetener. And artificial sweetener, if you have a little bit a day, it's not going to kill you. But too much, just like too much of anything, is bad. It's really bad. Just too much of anything is really bad. You know? Good feed, good feed. It's almost done. No, I do feel pretty full. I am pretty full right now. But when I started filming this, man, I was like starving. Not gonna lie. I was like really hungry. But now, I'm pretty full, pretty satisfied. So yeah, I don't waste food, guys. I always make sure I finish everything. Okay. Anyway, guys, if you do feel lonely during the quarantine time, trust me, guys, go outside, go for a walk. Don't just sit home all day. If you feel scared going outside, then yeah, well, if you feel scared, you don't have to go outside. You know, if you're scared that you're gonna get infected, then stay at home. Just do some exercise, do some home workout, and you will feel much better. So yeah, this has been Water China here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.